This is a new coffee machine to make filter coffee. Sandstrøm stainless steel filter coffee machine. Capacity 12 cups of coffee. Digital control with LED display. Cups of coffee. Okay. So here we have manual. And here is coffee machine. Okay. So here it is. Looks good, really. Good price on this machine. I have a good coffee machine before, expensive, very expensive one. So, but this is more for making filter coffee. I think this is perfect for that. Yeah, you have clock here, hours, minutes, start, set timer, timer on off. Here to have a filter. Yes. Nice. This is cool. Water. And in stainless steel, it's cool. Sandstrøm, instruction manual. It's made in Great Britain, I think. Looks cool. So here it is. My new coffee machine from Sandstrøm, stainless steel filter coffee machine. Good.